Welcome back to $2 Garage. Today we're going to see if the car wants to start today, because it's been a little temperamental. It has definitely been a night. We have some new things. This is a good used 944 turbo radiator. That's blocked off, that's for the turbo. Our good used shift boot. And most importantly, our full-on window motors. Our turbo radiator doesn't work, so we just used some JB metal weld in the current one, and I'm sure it'll be fine. The car is in one piece. If you see down there, I think I showed it in another clip. There is some antifreeze. Let's see if it runs a little better.
Try it again.
Okay, we'll get back to you when it runs. Well, it decided it doesn't want to run again. So, great. Just a quick test. I'm hungry. The fuel pump relay is disconnected, and this is a tester. Now, a light should show up here if it is getting spark. Obviously, that's a brand new plug, and that's fairly fouled. A spare DME relay was tested. It is old, but it's my spare, and I got the same problem as before. We do have spark, so it could be the injectors. Coil is good because it is reading ohms.
Why is it so noisy like that?
It is 87B and 30 connected, so our fuel pump does work. Is a DME relay bypass. We'll find out if it's bad. The injectors should be fine. They're brand new. Our ignition coil is old but seems to be working. I don't think it'll last long once I start driving. And the issue seems to be a fuel injection pressure regulator, which a new one has been ordered. Hopefully that fixes it. See this cable here? This came in from a yard car, but this will attach to our hatch motor, so we should be able to unlock it from the front. Yeah, but I want to get something done on this car. Do you have power? Oh.
Nope.
Oh.
Didn't plug it in.
I'm an idiot. I didn't plug it in.
Worked perfectly.
Okay, it's good. Technically, this car is a part from a 959. Actually, it's two. It uses the same steering wheel and the same clock.
Oh, so it's a 959.
Yeah, it's a 959.
Yeah.
Let's see if it starts now. Nothing?
No. There's a bulb in here? Yeah. There's no gas.
So there's hardly any gas in it, and what is coming out of it really doesn't look great. This should test the fuel injection pressure to see if the rail is getting.
Okay. So it's got 55 pounds. Supposed to have 48.
Let's Hail Mary it. I don't know what's wrong with it, so I just ordered a solid state DME and fan relay. Hopefully that does something. For some reason the footage corrupted itself. I got an F9 Tech DME relay and fan controller. I'm showing you how it works. The feature about this is it shows you what's wrong, and this is a fan controller, so Rev 9. One feature of this F9 Tech fan relay is you can test your fans. If I press this one, okay, something's up with that one. I'll have to look into it. Let's see if it runs. Failure! Time to test the injectors. So obviously this is pretty self-evident. We're just gonna crank it and see if they fire into the bags. The second option is hook it up to a 9-volt battery and disconnect your coil because that causes spark and fire. Well, that is absolutely nothing.
Gator clips, look. That's what an alligator does. So you put one on one terminal.
I'm assuming the red one's positive.
Look, no, it doesn't matter. There's 2 terminals in there, so you put one on the other, insulated, so it won't short out. And then you connect one to here, and you tap the other one. And do you hear anything?
Nothing. Nothing shooting.
It's sparking.
All you care about is money. This town deserves a better.
A new class of German car, a BMW breaker in money burning.
These are the non-compatible ones with the car. We don't know why they're non-compatible. All we know is they're not supposed to work with the car, and they didn't work with the car.
But they do work. Well, that is an unfortunate note. At least I have a nice looking shifter. That being said, there is an answer to why the injectors are out. And I'm going to end the video here because it's been a month. So don't forget to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe.